Hello, and welcome to James Powell channel, where we give tech, news, and more. And this episode is brought to you by Augustin Farms 2-week 1-person emergency food supply. If you are needing emergency food, please go to jjmediaonline.net/emergency. That's jjmediaonline.net/emergency. Click the link below and you can get your emergency supply. We don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year. But be prepared, be ready, and go order your emergency supply today. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. So now, let's get into today's video. Today's news, we are going to approach the idea of the reporting. And of course, many of you know that the deep state and the media is all about destroying Trump at all cost. Today is April 6, 2020. I typically don't put timelines or dates on my videos, but I wanted to do this in particular because this is April 6th. This news is current, April 4th, and in the news conference, Jim Acosta, which hates Trump, which is part of CNN, which is part of connected to the deep state, Jim Acosta gets destroyed after interrupting Dr. Birx to bash President Trump. Dr. Birx is Dr. Deborah Birx is one of the main leaders in the coronavirus council. The doctors leading this situation. In fact, if you remember, she was part of when AIDS came out many years ago. She was one of the leading doctors. There's something about her that she comes across very trustworthy, very transparent, kind of sort of like Trump does, very transparent, just tells you what she thinks. But CNN reporter Jim Acosta triggered severe backlash on Friday after he interrupted White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx to bash President Trump. During Friday's COVID-19 briefing, Birx addressed who knew what when, an apparent response to media criticism of Trump administration. And here's what she said: we can talk about why didn't Italy do something, or Spain do something, or Germany do something, or we can really say right now we all can do something. We can do the social distancing and all of the pieces that we know is starting to work around the globe in country after country. Then when we get through all of this, we can ask the questions about could we have done some piece of this better as a global community. The doctor then pivoted to the World Health Organization failures. That's important. World Health Organization failures. We're looking to them for answers. We've always done that, and they are part of the globalist agenda. They do not like America. They do not have America's interest at heart. They're part of the globalist, and the deep state loves them. I would remind you, she said, that on February 3rd, the head of the WHO said there was no reason to ever do a travel ban. Get that. They're trying to destroy America. It wasn't until January 14th that we knew that there was human-to-human transmission, Birx said. The president was saying this was going to go away. It's April. Acosta interrupted. Then Trump stepped in. It is going to go away. I love it. We have a president that fires right back, does not take anything from them. But Mr. President, you said it was going to go away in April. You said that one day, Acosta responded. I didn't say a day. I said it's going away, and it is going away, Trump shot back. Okay, that was a good answer to your question. No more. And I love it. He shot back, and Acosta was blasted on social media in response. Acosta he is a deep state reporter. He detests Trump. And the thing about this is really causing backlash because he interrupted Dr. Birx. And the interruption is an example of how CNN echo journalism model is destroying the media's credibility. What has happened here, I'm not gonna try to make this video too long, but what is happening here, Trump is truly exposing the media. If you remember, he's always called them the fake media. He's really stirred them up, and he is really exposing them now. He exposed them before, but he's really exposing them now for what they are. So the fake media. All right. So that's that interaction. But let's go now to the next news article. New evidence suggesting COVID-19 came from Wuhan virology lab. Virology lab, however you want to say it, is hard to ignore. Several pieces of publicly available evidence have come to light in recent days seem to indicate that virology lab in Wuhan, China may have been the location where the novel coronavirus originated. You remember they were trying to talk of how it come from that market and the bat soup and everything. China has lied to us all along. And so, two examples of this. Here they talk. You can read this, but suspicious job postings. November 18th, the lab posted a job opening that requested scientists to come research the relationship between coronavirus and bats. And according to a Google translation on the job posting, it offers this description. Taking bats as a research object, I will answer the molecular mechanism that can coexist with Ebola and SARS associated coronavirus for a long time without disease, and its relationship with flight and longevity. Virology, immunology, cell biology, and multiple omics are used to compare the differences between humans and other mammals. So, I mean, this is digging in for scientific stuff. So then a scientific research paper, Fox host Tucker Carlson ran an interesting segment on his primetime show Tuesday night, Tuesday night before the article was written, of South China University of Technology, the research paper, The Possible Origins of 2019 nCoV Coronavirus. So it looks like it came from a test tube. So what does this mean? The evidence appears to demonstrate this. The Chinese scientists of Wuhan Institute of Virology were researching coronaviruses in bats. Allegedly, this is key, allegedly not typically found within 900 kilometers of the city. At the same time that doctors began treating the first known COVID-19 patients. So it does look like it does link back to a lab. So this is, once again, they've been dishonest. The deep state is trying to take not only the Trump administration down, but take America down at all cost. So be ready, be prepared, go, just prep your family. Not that it's going to get extremely horrible, but just protect your family. Thank you for watching. Share this, subscribe, go to our social media channels. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a great day, and we will see you on the next video.